Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy Z Flip3 5G and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera grid lines at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's move to the left corner button. When we tap on it we can open the camera settings. Here we have to slide simply down to useful features category, and now at the third position we have Gridlines option, so by using the button from the right we can easily turn them on and turn them off as we need. Now let me keep turned on the Gridlines, and when we go back to the camera we can see them in the preview. They are useful, for example, when we want to use the rule of thirds in photography or making experiments with composition at our picture. And of course remember that all of these lines are not visible at the real photo, so when I take a picture and when I go to the left button that follows us straight to the gallery, we can't see the grid lines at the real photo, so they are only to help us taking better pictures. And of course when we don't need them we have to move back to left corner settings, slide down to useful features and pick the grid lines button to turn them off. So for now in the preview the grid lines have gone. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.